Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo and I'm in the Target dollar spot where they've rolled out some fall decor. So you know what that means. Let's go shopping. So we'll start over here with their mini pumpkins that are just $1. They do come in white and sort of a beige creamy color, some orange, green, and the little gourd and mustard. Those are all just $1. They have their mini suede pumpkins in a beautiful forest green, a dark burgundy, some orange, mustard, and white, and they do all have gold stems for just $1. So they do have 3-tiered trays, you guys. I want to share these with you. First and foremost, they've got this one in the white, like the black one we saw a few years back. They also have this one that is so cute. So it's kind of like a house cutout with 2 wooden shelves. They are all $5, and this one is just like the one that Hobby Lobby is putting out this year with 2 mesh baskets. So you guys are probably spying these. They are house lanterns. What I love is that they did a small 3-pack. These are the perfect size for tiered trays. Now these are $5 for the 3-pack and they do not light up. But they do have it in 2 other sizes. This one is a little bit wider and shorter. They are $5 a piece and have string lights inside. They also have this one, the taller, more narrow version, and I'm only finding them in the galvanized metal. You guys, this is a great little piece of decor and it is only $3. I'm sure you guys have seen the stacked books that people can personalize and sell often on Etsy. So this is wood. It is faux stacked books in white for $3. So the bottom you could actually hide a little something if you wanted to because it is hollow. Next to the faux stacked books, they have some signs for $3. They've got this one in Give Thanks. They are little blocks that you can individually put together. Also comes in Autumn, and these are just $3 a piece. And in the back, they've got one very farmhouse in black and white, Hello Fall. And for $5, they did 2 really good sized signs. I love this one in Pumpkin Patch. They are both plank style, trimmed in wood. It also comes in the apple orchard. Now I wish that they would have done their text and arrow in red since it's an apple. They also have this large vertical Welcome Autumn sign that is black on a white planked backing for $5. Now for a few of their small signs. These are little squares with a brown backing. Fall is my favorite. The favorite is raised. They are $3. And it also comes in this one with autumn text. Down here they're putting out some risers and I am very excited about them. I think they're adorable. So it is a 2-pack. You get the larger one and then you can see the smaller one nestled in there. These are great for raising up your decor. The 2-pack is $5. Comes in this wood tone, but it also comes in a darker brown option. They're starting to put out some of their fall runners. So they do have 4 different versions. They're $5. This one's a muslin and says Thanksgiving on it. And they have a really colorful leafy pattern and then a really pretty green plaid. And then this one in the stripe, and it's coming off khaki, but it's kind of a mustard with the little white tassels. Next to those, I found a couple of pillows. They are $5 a piece. They've got this one on muslin in Welcome. The back of it has what I would describe as a gray stripe. Down here, they've got one in Pumpkin Patch. It's so adorable. It also comes in Apple Orchard. They are also putting out these little interchangeable houses, which I think are a great idea. So it is $3 and it comes with a few different options, as you can tell. This is what the front looks like and this is what the back looks like. They're also putting out some metal pitchers. Now these are really heavy. They're $5. They come in the black and white, and then the galvanized one is just a little bit different. It's a lot lighter and has a different handle. For $3, they're putting out some mini wreaths. They have one in boxwood and green, and down here, one in orange eucalyptus. So it looks like some of the gold is back. They have these taper candle holders. These are like the ones they put out last year. So far I'm finding them just in the gold for $3. And they put out these little rounds. They had these out last year as well. They're also putting out these ceramic plates. Sorry about the glare. They have them wrapped in plastic. So it just says give thanks with a grateful heart on a creamy white plate for $5. And they have tobacco baskets. This is a really good little sized tobacco basket. Last year this time they put out squares, this year rectangles, and they're only $3. Over here they have more of their mini felt pumpkins. These are also just $1. I'm seeing a little bit of darker gray there with purple, orange, some teal, some mustard. And then down here they have some blanket scarves. I know a lot of people like to use these as throws. They are $5. I thought they were $7 last year. I'm seeing some leopard and then very traditional colors for fall. It also comes in a plaid with lots of navy, some mustard, and green. And then over here to some of their larger ceramic pumpkins. So this one is a really pretty sagey green. They are just $3. I'm also seeing it in the white and the orange. And these that I am so fond of. So they have that carved look. They come in the mustard, cream. The gourds are orange and then almost a pinkish red. And another gourd back there in green. Seriously love those for $3. Down here they have some stuffed pumpkins that are $3. So this one with a gold stem. It is a fluffy, almost like a towel texture in gray. They have a felted white, the felted burnt orange, and then also the sweater print in green. And for $3, they have a very tall mustard pumpkin. This is definitely taller than these down here. We have more hanging DIY pieces. This is a round of gold chicken wire. These are $3 a piece, and it does have a little leather hanger. Down here, they've got the large golden hoop that you could DIY a wreath with. And then they also have a black wreath form that is on the smaller side, but these are all $3. They're starting to put out a few picks. This one is a large raffia pick for $3. I will have to show you guys how to make these, and you can make them for pennies. Now they also have 2 frames with little rounds for hanging them in the gold and the black for $3. They do have little leather insets. This one says thankful, and this one says family. For $5, they have a really heavy flannel printed creamy white and black plate. It comes with a spiced pumpkin bread recipe for $5. And they have some very large pieces for DIYs this year. So they've got this one in the horizontal, or actually it could be horizontal or vertical, trimmed in the white wood. And then the larger one that is white, trimmed in wood. And those are $5 a piece. For $5, they're putting out some ceramic coffee mugs in the leopard, in a blue plaid, and a more orangey plaid. For $5, they're putting out a few metal wine cups. So these do have clear lids and come in a couple plaids and a leopard print. So cute. For $5, they have some knit beanies out in mustard, cranberry, and navy. They also have some hot drink containers. Oh my gourd, I love fall. These are $5. This one in the green, and then they've got this one in the darker mustard in pumpkin spice everything. They also have 2-pack tea light holders that are glass, so they are $3 for the pair and come in gold and copper. How cute are these? They're a little 4-pack of mini pumpkin candles for $3. And then down here they have a ton of new fall candles. This one in Gray Sunday Fun Day. This one in Let's Give Them Pumpkin. And then Oh My Gourd, I Love Fall. So this one's a navy. This one's more of a dark mustard, almost brown. And these are $5. For $5 they have 3 more candle scents that come in metal tins. Down here they have a few more candles for fall in spiced apple coconut, ginger pumpkin, and toasted marshmallow. They do all have these super cute little lids. The leather strap and wood for $5. Over here they have 3 more candles, and I've lined them up so you can see what the side and the top look like. They're $3 a piece, and then next to those they have these also for $3 in little cans with gold caps in 4 different scents. Next to those they have these in 3 different scents, and these are $3 and come in little gold bowls. A few more candles. They have these with the corked lids in 3 different scents for $3, and then they've got these in the amber glass for $3. Also for $3 they have these. They're in little ceramic containers in 3 different scents and 3 more scents. So these are also in ceramic containers for $3, just slightly different. Over here they have little $3 bags of pumpkins and apples. So they've got this one in all of the greens, my favorite, all of the little apples. So they're varying in size. And then these in the mustards and oranges. Starting to put out some string lights for $3. These little pumpkins are so cute. Also comes in a green boxwood and a copper wire. For $3 they're also putting out pairs of 10-inch taper candles. This is interesting. They're doing some craft items for $3. They have these peel and stick vinyl sheets. So I'm finding it in this print, and I'm sure that there's a few different to choose. They have it in a green and then in the autumn stripes. Also for $3 I'm finding these sets of 3 peel and stick vinyl pre-cut stickers. So I'm finding 3 different prints, and they're all $3. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me today to Target Dollar Spot to see what they put out for fall. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.